Hello everyone. So in the last video, we solved product sales analysis 3. And in this video, we are going to tackle classes more than 5 students. So let's dive in. Okay, so in this question, we are given a table courses, which has two columns, student and classes. Where the student and class is the primary key, combination of columns with unique values for this table. Each of this table indicate the name of the student, the class in which they are enrolled. So what we have to do is we have to find a solution to find all the classes that have at least 5 students. We can return the result in any order. So this is an example table. In this table, we can see that math class has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So math class has 6 students and English class has 1 student, biology has 1 student and computer has 1 student. So in the final result set, it will be the math only. Okay. So the approach is that we group the table by class. So we will be able to get the number of students in that class. And by doing so, we'll be able to find out the class in which the number of students are at least 5. Okay. So the query will be select what class from courses. We will have to group by class. Okay. And we have to apply a condition on this group that having count of students in this class should be greater than or equal to 5. Okay, so our this test case has been passed. Now we'll submit this and our solution got accepted. That's it.